Today I'm sharing the absolute fastest method I've found to transform any long video and a simple transcript into dozens of ready-to-post social clips. If you're dealing with interviews, live streams, or podcast recordings, this workflow is genuinely designed to save you hours of tedious editing time. My name is David, and this technique is key for finally getting the consistent traction your great content deserves across all your platforms. The basic setup is simple. You just need your long-form video file and any existing transcript or notes you might already have handy. The goal is to bypass manually chopping everything up and immediately jump to having captioned, ready-to-publish clips on a solid schedule. This is precisely where the platform shines, and I'll walk you through my exact process step by step. We'll also touch upon why some other familiar tools are useful sometimes, but ultimately become a bottleneck when you try to scale your output. Step 1 is jumping in and creating a brand new project because this entire solution is conveniently web-based. You just sign in, click New Project, select your source video file, and initiate the upload process. If you already have a cleaned up transcript, you absolutely can and should drop that file into the system as well. Using your transcript allows the AI to better understand the conversation's structure, leading to significantly smarter, more accurate clip suggestions. As soon as the upload finishes, the platform immediately begins analyzing all the footage you provided. This next part truly feels like magic, because the auto-edit engine scans for moments with high audience engagement. It looks for things like big emotional peaks, rapid topic shifts, exciting calls to action, and even genuine moments of laughter. The system then instantly proposes a whole batch of short clips that are already perfectly trimmed, framed, busts, and paced just right for social media feeds. You'll see a visual timeline alongside a list of suggested clips, each with a preview to help you judge its immediate potential. Many other services hand you a raw transcript and force you to manually assign those tricky timecodes to every segment. For solo creators or small teams, that manual timecode process is a massive productivity bottleneck that wastes valuable time. Vizard bypasses this by aligning the text to the audio automatically, whether it generates the transcript or uses yours. This means your captions are already perfectly matched to the clip's exact timing, removing the need to manually sync an SRT file. If you provided a clean transcript, the tool intelligently uses it to boost caption accuracy while preserving all your previous manual corrections. You now have a solid list of candidate clips ready for your final approval or small modifications. I personally just scan through quickly, keeping only the absolute highest energy moments that really grab the viewer instantly. Focus on those bold statements, surprising statistics, or genuinely funny lines that land perfectly within the first 3 seconds. The interface makes it easy to adjust the clip's in and out points, refine the visual crop, and make minor caption adjustments if necessary. Even tiny edits like trimming just the first half second of dead air can dramatically improve your overall click-through rate. A huge feature is that Vizard's clips are inherently optimized for vertical, square, and standard horizontal viewing formats. You simply switch the required aspect ratio for any clip, and the platform intelligently reframes the main subject for you. This capability is massive because every social platform prefers a different format, saving you from countless manual re-exports. Let's quickly cover downloadable subtitle files, specifically the SRT and VTT formats that people often need. You have the option to export one complete SRT for the entire long video, or generate separate files for every single short clip you've created. The system intelligently breaks the text into naturally readable lines while managing character limits for optimal phone viewing. This means whether you're targeting YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you can generate the precise caption file needed in seconds. This smooth process avoids the constant jumping between editing and fixing tools required by basic transcription-only apps. The next powerful feature is the built-in scheduling, which genuinely simplifies the process of consistent growth. Once your clips are finalized, you skip the frustrating process of exporting and manually uploading each one to a separate scheduler. Instead, you simply define a desired posting frequency, and the AI generates an entire content calendar for you automatically. If you need, say, 2 posts every weekday for the upcoming month, you just set that cadence. The platform will draft the schedule using your selected clips, allowing you to review, rearrange, add hashtags, or tweak final captions within the calendar view. Compare that traditional route: exporting folders, opening a separate scheduling app, re-uploading, and manually setting every time slot. That repetitive friction is exactly what kills a creator's ability to post consistently over time. Other platforms might charge per export or penalize you for posting to multiple channels, making your growth strategy expensive and slow. Vizard succeeds by bundling the entire workflow: edit, caption, format, and schedule into one single streamlined operation. Now, let's be fair and discuss the trade-offs in the current creator tool landscape. Tools like Descript are fantastic for deep, fine-grained text-based editing or for using advanced voice cloning features. If your workflow is entirely transcript first and involves replacing specific words in the audio, those specialized editors are still very valuable. However, when you need to scale clip volume and automate cross-platform posting, that transcript-heavy approach often becomes quite manual. Conversely, many other auto-cutting tools only handle the clipping, leaving you still responsible for all the captioning and external scheduling. Vizard's true advantage lies in being built specifically for creators who need to batch produce and batch post content without immediately hiring a full editing team. You get the smart clip detection, the versatile caption outputs, intelligent reframing, and the built-in calendar all in one place. That said, Mixing in a specialized tool for a niche feature, like advanced voice cloning, is always an option. Just keep this platform serving as the central hub for your entire clipping, formatting, and distribution pipeline. Here are a few quick tips to supercharge your own workflow starting right now. Always try to clean up your imported transcript first, removing excessive filler words before the AI processes it. Use the small preview thumbnails to vigorously test the clip's hook, nudging the start time forward a fraction of a second if it feels slow. When scheduling, always batch similar tips together across a week, instead of dropping 5 related clips onto your audience all at once. Take advantage of the platform-specific caption settings, prioritizing shorter lines that are much easier for viewers to read quickly on their mobile devices. Exporting is straightforward. Select your final MP4 format, choose any necessary aspect ratios, and then simply hit the export button. Alternatively, you can let the auto-schedule feature place the content directly into your calendar with a single click. Remember to export a single SRT for the entire source file if you plan to use it later for YouTube chapter markers. After publishing, the final step is iteration. Check your analytics to see which clips actually perform the best for your followers. Compare your real-world performance data against the high engagement moments the AI initially flagged. With time, you'll refine what you feed the system, teaching the AI exactly which types of segments truly hook your specific audience, making future suggestions even better. To quickly recap this powerful workflow, import your video, feed it a cleaned transcript. Let the AI suggest viral clips, tweak them slightly, reframe the aspect ratio, and schedule everything through the integrated calendar. This is objectively the fastest way to scale your content volume without sacrificing the quality that your audience expects. If you create long-form content and want a consistent stream of high-quality short clips, this is the smoothest pipeline available today. It isn't the only tool, but combining edit, caption, reframe, and schedule into one seamless step is what truly makes the difference. Don't be afraid to mix in other niche apps for specialized needs, but always treat this platform as your central hub for distribution. Your challenge now is to try this entire process on just one long episode and schedule a full week of posts from it. You will be genuinely shocked at how much high-quality content you can generate in a single afternoon using this method. Drop a comment below sharing what kind of videos you make so I can share more specific clip selection hacks with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you the absolute best in building out your unstoppable content machine.